Hi, I'm Rev, and 2025 was your worst year ever. You have the feeling that you couldn't achieve anything, improved nothing in any part of your life. Maybe you wanted to meet new people and make some friends. Maybe you felt sick most of the time, and your health stopped you from doing all the things you wanted to do this year. Maybe your family fell apart. Maybe your job took all your energy. Whatever it was, 2025 was the worst. So, what do we do about it? What can we do to make sure these things will change? First of all, noticing and being able to name the things that went so horribly wrong for you is an important step. So the first thing you need to do is write down the things that bother you the most about last year. Because they are the things you care about the most. They are the things you want to change. Make a mind map or a vision board and make a few notes of the 3 to 5 things you wanted to be different in 2025 and therefore in 2026. If you can do this, you are halfway there. Great job. Now connect to these things your goals, how you actually want it to be instead. And after that, think about a simple solution for each of the problems. A simple act you can do. That will bring you to your goal, step by step. Your vision board should look like problem, goal, action. As you know, on this channel, I will not give you short-term dopamine to feel better. It's all about you changing your life long-term. That's why you need to think of actions, small actions you can do easily at least once a week. Better every few days or even every day. Actions that improve your life in these areas you feel so bad about. You wanted to meet more people and to work out more? What's a social sport you can do every week? You want to have less stress and more time to relax? Thought about working less or start meditation? It doesn't matter what it is, what matters is that you do something about it. And the honest truth is, you probably only do something about it when you suffer. That is why you should not allow yourself to forget how bad 2025 was. Place your vision board somewhere you have a quiet moment every day. Probably even right beside your bed. And every morning you see it. And you go thinking, that are the things I want to change, I will improve, and I know how. And with that energy, you can start every day to make your life better. Hi, I am Rev, and 2026 will be the best year ever.